So in this video, you'll learn how to factory reset your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you're ready to erase all the data that's currently on your Switch, then the first step is just navigate to settings. Once you're in settings, you want to scroll and select system. And then under system, scroll down until you find formatting options. Select it. From here, scroll until you find restore factory settings. And then you want to choose that. And then you can see all the data, the information that you need to understand what the factory reset does. So you want to read through it. And then when you're okay with what's going to happen, just select next. And then select next again. And then wait a few moments to confirm that you wish to restore your factory settings, which means a factory reset. So just select that option and then wait for it to turn off. I would also recommend you plugging it in so that it doesn't lose any charge while it goes through the process of erasing all the data. Ensure that you're not touching it or moving any of the Joy-Cons around so that it performs the reset successfully. And then once it's complete, it will turn off. Now you can just go ahead and try and switch it on. And then once it's been switched on, you'll see the Nintendo Switch 2 logo. Now you'll see the welcome page, so where you're supposed to be choosing your language and go through the setup process, which means that you've successfully factory reset your Nintendo Switch 2. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.